Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning, students. My name is Miss Ishrar, teacher of Guards Public Higher Secondary School 1. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the audio video session 3. This is our third maths lecture. Now students, as we have covered our first two topics of first chapter, that is Pakistani and international place value chart of 6-digit numbers, and today we will be covering Pakistani place value chart of 7-digit numbers. Before starting our today's lecture, let's have a preview of our first two lectures. Students, in our first two lectures, we have learned about the types of number system, that there are two types of number system to read and write greater numbers. First one is Pakistani way and the second is international way. As Pakistani way is used in Pakistan and other parts of South Asia, in our previous lecture we have learned for Pakistani way there are three periods, that is lakh, thousand and unit for 6-digit numbers, and for international way there are two periods for 6-digit numbers, that is thousand and unit, and this system is used internationally. Students, we will learn today Pakistani place value chart of 7-digit numbers, introduction of 10 lakh, read and write numbers in figures and in words, expanded and short form of a number. In the Pakistani way, by adding 1 to 9,99,999, we get 10 lakh, which is the smallest 7-digit number. We read it as 10 lakh. Here the digit 1 is at 10 lakhs place. Students, it's difficult to read greater numbers. So let us learn how to represent a place value chart of a 7-digit number and use of commas between the periods in the Pakistani place value system. Let us see the period of 7-digit numbers in a place value chart. In a place value chart, a 7-digit number has three periods: lakh, thousand and unit period. Now starting from the right side, that is from unit period or family has three members, that is unit, tens and hundred. As one period is completed, we will put comma here. Second period is of thousand. Now thousand period or family is further divided in two members, thousand and 10,000, comma, as our thousand period is completed. Third period is of lakh. Now lakh period or family is further divided in two members, lakh and 10 lakh. Let's consider a 7-digit number to place in the Pakistani place value system: 5948317. As it is clear from the previous slide that there are three periods for 7-digit numbers in Pakistani place value system: lakh, thousand and unit period. Let's start reading from the right hand side, that is from unit period. Unit period or family is further divided into three places, that is units, tens and hundreds. The second period is of thousand. It is further divided into two places, thousand and 10,000. The third period is of lakh. It is further divided into two places again, lakh and 10 lakh. Now start placing the digits in the place value chart. Let's begin. 7 is at unit place, 1 is at tens place, 3 is at 100 place. As we have completed unit family, that is unit tens and hundred, we will put comma to separate unit family with thousand family. Now let's start with our thousand family. 8 is at 1000 place, 4 is at 10,000 place, comma again as our thousand period is completed. Let's start with our third period, that is of lakh. 9 is at lakh place, 5 is at 10 lakh place. In figure, it will be written as 59, 48, 317, and in words it will be written as 59 lakh, 48,000, 317. Let's do some examples of the place value of color digits in the following 7-digit numbers. Let's start with the first one. As the commas clearly shows that the number is given in Pakistani way. In the first example, the color digit is 6. For giving the answer correctly, I will read from the right hand side, that is from unit place. Like 7 unit, 2 tens, 5 hundreds, 8,000, 5 10,000, 1 lakh, 6 10 lakh. In this way, I will easily know what is the place value of color digit. So it will be written as in words as 6 10 lakh and in figures as 6 with 6 zeros. Let's solve the second example. In this example, color digit is 0. As we have learned in our first two lectures that 0 itself have no value, but it's have a place value. Let's start reading from the right to find out what is the place value of 0 in this number. 4 unit, 2 tens, 3 hundreds, 0,000, 6 10,000, 4 lakh and 9 10 lakh. After reading from right, we come to know the place value of 0, that is 1000. It will be written as 0,000 or in figure 0. Expanded form of a 7-digit number. The number given for expanded form is 81, 392. As the commas are given in Pakistani way, so be careful with your commas. To write expanded form of any number, we need to identify the place value or the positions of the digits in the given number. Let's start reading from right. 2 is at unit place, 9 is at tens place, 3 is at hundred place, 4 is at thousand place, 5 is at 10,000 place, 1 is at lakh place, 8 is at 10 lakh place. So it will be written as 8 is at 10 lakh place. So we will write as 8 with 6 zeros. Plus 1 is at lakhs place, 1 with 5 zeros. Plus 5 is at thousand place, 5 with 4 zeros. Plus 4 is at thousand place, 4 with 3 zeros. Plus 3 is at hundred place, 3 with 2 zeros. Plus 9 is at tens place, 9 with 1 zero. Plus 2 is at unit place, so 2 will be written as it is. Now students, for writing the numbers in standard or short form, we need to check the position of all the individual numbers. As in the given expanded form, 4 is at 10 lakh place, plus 7 is at lakh place, plus 3 is at 10,000 place, plus 2 is at 1000 place, plus 9 is at 100 place, plus 5 is at tens place, plus 8 is at unit place. So it will be written in standard form as 47, 32, 958. Home assignment for lecture 3. Let me explain how you have to complete your home assignment. Student, you have to follow the same pattern which I have explained for first two assignments. You have to copy all the questions with blue ink pen and answers with the pencil. Total 3 questions are there for assignment number 3. And with each question one example is given. You don't have to copy this example. This is just to explain you how you have to do the work in your copy. Let's start. Exercise 1.2 B, parts you have to do 1 till 4 and the page number is 7. Question number 1. Write these numbers in figures placing the commas correctly according to the Pakistani periods. For example, 36 lakh, 18,000, 103. The question is given in words and you have to write in figure like 36, 18, 103. Students, for question number 2, exercise 1.2 D, parts you have to do 1 till 5 and the page number is 9. The question is given, write the place value of the color digits in the Pakistani way. Students, आपकी बुक में ये क्वेश्चन डिफरेंटली गिवन है लाइक the question is given that you have to write the place value in both ways, Pakistani and international, but you do not have to copy that question. Copy this question and give the answer just in Pakistani way. For example, in the given example, the color digit is 3 and no comma is given. So firstly, we will put the comma according to the Pakistani way, like 75 comma as my lag period is completed, 32 comma as my 1000 period is completed, 098. Then after reading from right, we come to know the place value of 3 in this number, that is 310,000, or in figure it will be written as 3 with 4 zeros. For question number 3, exercise 1.2E, parts you have to do is 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and the page number is 9. The question is given, write the numbers that match these expanded form. For example, 5 10 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 0 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 5. It will be written in short form as 58, 02, 735. Have a review of today's lecture. We have learned Pakistani place value chart of 7-digit numbers, place value of a 7-digit number that is still lakh in Pakistani way, expanded and short form of a 7-digit number in the Pakistani place value system.